How symbolism relates to themes. Ignite your memory. Have you noticed things that repeat in novels, especially pictures or symbols? Chunk, start with the beginning of your novel and look for what characters wear, like a uniform, symbolizes love for a sport or school. Setting details, where they are. Carry, what characters carry. Awards symbolize respect. Jot what characters remember. Animals, colors, bikes, sports equipment, nature, weather can symbolize how we feel. If your mood were a weather, what would it be? Sunny, stormy. Consider weather and what the characters notice. Chew on it. Watch me as I think about how symbols work with the theme. In Raymond's Run, the theme probably involves something like your problems will not seem so bad if you start thinking about how you can help others. I think back through the text trying to remember images, and I realize that the many awards that Squeaky has won are symbols of the respect she gets from the city people. By the end of the story, she realizes she wants Raymond to feel respected. Optional to read, these are the common core goals. Determine a theme or central idea of a text and analyze its development over the course of the text. Provide an objective summary of the text. Review sentence stems. In title author, possible symbols are, these symbols suggest theme or main message that fill in the theme. In my reading life, the kinds of books that are most relatable or engaging are, I am growing as a reader because I. You can write what you are doing, that you are doing good thinking work about setting, motif, symbol, and theme. This is the example. In Raymond's Run by Toni Cade Bambara, possible symbols are awards. These symbols suggest, Bambara. These symbols suggest the theme or main message that fill in the theme. Awards are worth striving for because they show respect. In my reading life, the kinds of books that are most relatable, engaging are books where friends figure out problems together. I am growing as a reader because I am now aware of the setting more and also how characters feel about it. Thank you, students. Have a good day. Take care.